No way. Holy mofo, what is that though?
Mom, it's like maybe it was just an explosion or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you hear what I said about it maybe not being a bomb? Because, like, it's up high, Mom. It's unbelievable. It woke us up. We're freaking videotaping it. Yeah. Yeah. I have no clue what it is. There's just black smoke. And what looks like paper, but unbelievable.
You just watch the news, dude. It's all over.
It's on the news.
Just a few moments ago, something
I love this stuff.
believed to be a plane crashed into the tower of the World Trade Center.
Oh my God!
I just saw flames inside. You can see the smoke coming out of the tower. We
Unbelievable.
have no idea what it was. It was a tremendous boom.
Oh my God! Don't be a person.
Where?
Oh my God!
Where? That right there?
What are those big, heavy things falling at a rate that a piece of paper would not fall? Oh my God!
No way.
Like that, Caroline. Do you see that? Do you see this thing?
Yeah, I see it. I mean, who's to say it's not like a chair?
Please be a chair. Please be a chair.
Regardless, it's gonna be so dangerous at that base. Obviously. Wait. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
What?
Oh my God! It's terrorist act!
That is what do we do?
Mom, another plane just crashed into the other World Trade Center. Another plane hit a jet, a jumbo jet. I'm so scared. I'm leaving.
No, I know. Don't Megan. You can't.
Bye. I love you.
Megan.
Mom, I mean, Carol, I'm getting the.
Oh, Megan, please wait for me.
Take your camera. Get your cell phone. Oh my God! Get out of here!
Do we take the elevator?
I don't want to be on the 32nd floor of this building anymore. What happened?
How many planes crashed into
Two. Yeah, another one. And then I saw the one hit the middle of it. And we're like, get the f*** out of here.